Hi everyone, welcome back to Dent Motion. Today we are doing some mobile dent repair, and I'm working on this 2018 Dodge Ram. This is a Rebel, really cool vehicle. They have other vehicles in here, but this one is particular on what we're doing to it. Let me show you the damage. So here's the damage. I'm going to clean this up. It's got quite a bit of damage. I'm going to try to make this look a lot better. This fleet service company was going to send this to the body shop. They want me to clean it up and make it look better. It's quite extensive damage. I'll be here quite a bit today, but looking forward to repairing this and saving it from the body shop. I'll show you the process. Here you go, guys. I'm kind of working here. I have an infrared heat light that my friend Jason Tarvis let me borrow. Here I am pushing on this repair right here. I'm just kind of massaging this dent away. Trying to show you at the same time. It's a lot of damage on this truck. It's coming along really well. This is the lower body line. I'm actually laying on the ground, massaging away. This is actually looking a lot better and getting better. I actually scheduled this job for the whole day, so I'll be here pretty much all day, because they asked me to also buff the whole side. It has some brush damage. Anyways, I'll continue to show you what I'm doing, cleaning up little by little. Okay, here's the final product. This 2018 Dodge Rebel. This is a production vehicle. And that's what the damage was. Same day repair. Saved it from the body shop. There are some surface scratches. There was some cracked paint right there. It's hard to see. There's a tiny little wave. You could probably see it, but a lot of these vehicles do come with these kind of certain waves. Anyways, really nice vehicle. Super nice truck. It's the final product. Once again, Jorge with Dent Motion. If you're in need of any paintless dent repair, dents, dings, larger damage, give me a call at 720-552-0808. Let's talk about your damage. Let's get it repaired. Dentmotion.com is the website. Thanks for watching. I hope this was entertaining.